Hi, my name is Kennedy Byram, and I'm a senior at Point Loma Nazarene University. I'm majoring in finance and accounting, and I want to pursue a career within mergers and acquisitions in the healthcare industry. Due to my student athlete status, my sales experience, and my experience at Convenio Advisors, I have great leadership and communication skills, and I'm well qualified to work within mergers and acquisitions. Being a collegiate athlete has included a life of learning, dedication, passion, and drive for what I do every day. Balancing this job with my academic career has allowed me to gain skills such as time management, organization, and prioritization. My sales experience has not only taught me how to sell my product, but to sell myself in that relationship. In my academic year, just this semester, I've learned about financial markets, international financial markets, exchange rate risk, and as well as how to account from a managerial standpoint, etc. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day.